Hey guys, now we are going to do question number 27. Let's see what the question says. In an AC circuit, the instantaneous EMF and current are given by E equal to 100 sine 30t and I equal to 20 sine 30t minus pi by 4. In one cycle of AC, the average power consumed by the circuit and the wattles current are respectively. Here we are already been given by the equations of E and I. So E is equal to 100 sine 30t. That means E RMS is going to be 100 by root 2. And similarly, we are given with I equal to 20 sine 30t minus pi by 4. So therefore I RMS is equal to 20 by root 2. Now we have to calculate P, and for that we know the formula is IRMS into ERMS into cos pi by 4. Now we are simply going to calculate this, which is 100 by root 2 into 20 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. And here simply 2000 by 2 root 2 would be simplified by 1000 by root 2. And we have to find wattless current. So that is I equal to IRMS sine pi by 4, and sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and IRMS we already calculated 20 by root 2, so it comes out to be 20 by 10, and it simply when 20 by 2 is simply comes out to be 10.